Hey everybody, Preacher Bill here today. So I'm posting this video to let anyone and everyone know we need another dishwasher at Camargo Country Club in Indian Hill, Ohio. The pay would start out at $16 an hour, and you would also get gratuity money daily, which is the same as tips. So if you live in the Indian Hill, Madeira, Marymount, Kenwood, Silverton area, if you come into Camargo Country Club, you can fill out an application. We need another dishwasher ASAP. Be blessed. Have a good day.